my name is Amrita Vukoti. I am 7 years old and today we're going to learn about global warming. It has been a major problem, and if we continue doing this, the Earth's future will be in question. Before we talk about the global warming, let's talk about the greenhouse effect. And there are 3 gases. They are called the greenhouse gases. They are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. And these gases form a layer in our atmosphere. And when this happens, this is what happens. When the sun's heat rays hit the earth, it absorbs some of the heat. And when the rest goes into the atmosphere. When that happens, it hits this layer of greenhouse gases. And then most of those heat rays hit back on Earth, while some of it goes back and escapes into space. And then that causes the Earth to be warmer. And that makes us organisms, including plants, to grow and live comfortably. And without this layer in our atmosphere, our Earth would be minus 18 degrees Celsius, which means it is very cold and we would not even ever live. So it's not suitable for us organisms. But you know what we are doing? We are actually building more factories, driving more cars, and this releases all these greenhouse gases into the air in the form of smoke. Another word you can call this is pollution. And then this goes into this layer, thickening it. And when that happens, this is what happens with the thickened greenhouse gas layer. The sun hits Earth, it absorbs some, and then it hits this thick greenhouse gas layer, and nothing goes into space. And it traps the heat. And it traps the heat rays and sending all of them back into Earth, which makes it very hot. And then, a thickened greenhouse gas layer is just like a trap for heat. But on the other hand, we have trees which would love to take carbon dioxide out of the air and reduce our layer here, keeping a balance of our layer and our greenhouse gases here. But we are cutting down trees, which means there's no more consumers for carbon dioxide. And when this happens, it goes and thickens the layer even more. When all this heat hits Earth, it causes the ice on the North and South poles to melt. And that means there is more water. There is no space for the water. Where does it go? It goes on land, causing us to lose land. But we can actually help our Earth from losing more land. We can plant more plants, just like how I did. When these little guys grow up, they will I will be able to put them in my garden. And then they will be starting to take carbon dioxide, will help our atmosphere and Earth. And we can use sources of electricity like wind power, and that's what I'm using. So thank you once again. My name's Amrita Vukoti. I am 7 years old, and we are talking about global warming. Thank you.